Hornbill TV itia yere National Highway 702A Zinoboto town de ahi gene ase moikan aji yere ahia laga purpose to ki ase koile do Sumi Youth Organization khan bra NHIDCL khan bra rasta itu area de bana laga do ekdam dissatisfied ase kwa garne moikan aji yere ahi gene ase tai khan laga side pra bi tai khan ki kowale monjai itu khan bi huniwole moikan aji yere ahi gene thaga nishna tai khan laga major issues kunba do ki ase koile do itu drainage system hoile bi incomplete hua especially town de gushia laga homoy rasta do bishi incomplete banai thaga moikan drainage system hoile bi tai khan road khan do uthai gene ina incomplete hoi gene banai incomplete hoi gene ina rakhi dia rasta laga side te hoile bi itu black topping banai gene thagya han bi bhangi ja laga bi moi khan dikhi pa ase itu ekla hin hoy hoile bi rasta khan bi sinking area kun bi thagi kumba bi thagi gene ase aro ekta bishi concerning ekta hoile do ghor kumba laga niche re tai khan retaining wall banai gene thakya do incomplete hoi ja laga bi dikhi pa ase but here the most surprising part is that rasta inega incomplete hoi gene thakya laga upor de hoile bi concerned authority pro certificate of completion to concerned company Madukon private limited company ke certificate of completion issue kuri dia laga moi khan huni pa ase Sumi Youth Organization khan brabi itu laga issue de aru bi seriously saigene jawo koine RTI bi file kurishe goise aru to their surprise certificate of completion do issue kuri dishe goise which CSOs Zinabotola CSOs khan bra district administration ke strictly koise tai khan bra nijor ahigene ground check na kuria tak certificate of completion do na dibode ina kwa laga upor holibi concerned authority bra company ke certificate rasta banai dia complete hua laga di dishe kwa je to itia Sumi Youth Organization khan laga demand hole do ki ase gole do kode incomplete ase tate rasta do banai diwo lage koi gene 1 month time digine ase itu 1 month time na dile do tai khan stern action bi lwa shuru hobo koi gene huni pa ase moi khan itia yare Sumi Youth Organization khan laga side pra ki ko wole ase president aru tai khan la joint secretary la side pra holibi tai khan laga thoughts huniwa
Moila nam tu advocate Vinoko Achumi moi joint secretary ase Sumi Youth Organization laga
aru moila nam tu Hikavi Hkini ase moi president ase Sumi Youth Organization la
firstly global window aro Hornbill TV ke thanks de ase ite ahi kina media coverage koro karni aji ite apni khan ge matya tu ami khan rasta laga issue karni apni khan ge matise itu NH 702A starting from Chakabama to Zinaboto holi ami khan aji address korala tu ami khan Sumi area laga from Sataka to Zinaboto laga itu issue laga discuss korobole ase itu highway to under the SARDP Northeast package 5 bitor ahe and then itu execute kam korala tu Madukon private company bra execute korise kam tu and then as per the sources itu ami khan janishe itu kam tu complete hoise by March 2023 to ami khan satisfy honai rasta bana laga dikhi gena itu garni ami khan organization khan RTI file kurise and then RTI file kuri gena ami khan this year April 2025 te paise holibi reply pa hesab te tu ami khan hutia laga ami khan tu regarding this project specifically details of hutise holibi ami khan DPR khan bi dia nai aru tai khan laga project kumba details hi dise itu execute kan kin ka kurise itu khani dise DPR project details pura dia nai itu karni ami khan physical verification before the RTI physical verification chi bi jaise ami khan to ami khan physical verification ja tu nala khan specially nala khan tu bhal ba na banai gena ase sob banga bishe ase especially town bitorde aro retaining walls itu bi sob jaga de incomplete ase bishi bakto itu kane ami khan itu physical verification hapse de RTI korise aro ami khan reply paise holibi satisfied nai kile mane ta khan reply dia tu sob complete details dia nai DPR bi missing ase and then around 50 to 60% reply paisa ami khan itu karone ami khan aji media ke mati ase itu la issue uporde aro ami khan appeal kora ase we will be writing a letter to the concerned minister in charge itu ami khan to complaint representation bi diwala ase and then besides that ami khan Zinaboto town to every year population to uthi ase bishi ho ase and then ami khan sai shegule rasta to bishi truto ase so through this platform aji ami khan be in letter p likhibole ase hoile bi ami khan to the concerned minister in charge be the state central hobby ami khan to Zinaboto town karni itu connecting itu Sadaka sai pra ha laga Suruto sai pra ha laga itu Agnoto sai pra ha laga ami khan to bypass road itu ami khan demand korobole ase kile mane itu to ita karni to itu to need hoi jese for easy traffic transition itu Zinaboto town karni
On multiple occasions, the civil societies in Zinaboto, they have repeatedly appealed to the administration and also the NHIDC to complete this road and also to maintain it. But so far, it appears that they are not taking it seriously, for which the Sumit organization is registering a strong resentment against the lackadaisical approach of the NHIDCL and also the Madukon Project Limited. And we will file a representation against the NHIDCL and also the Madukon company. And if they do not adhere to our representation within 1 month, then we are ready to file public interest litigation.
So apni khan laga representation laga content to ki hoga what will be your points in the representation
To construct the road as per the DPR specification.
so aro apni khan sabi rasta la mohan issue to bishi ko ase incomplete drainage retaining wall be complete na hua and one major issue sinking area but right now apni khan rasta laga do bia ase ko ase but itia laga public I believe ki janyo mon jai gole to itu rasta do ki laga lifeline ase how important is the road
Ito Zinaboto to Semakan la headquarter ase aru Zinaboto ton la ase to mohan la headquarter la rasta to iman dilapidated condition de ase you see you can see this drainage it is incomplete aru ko nishina bishibar itu mohan NHIDC lote aru itu administration lote appeal kurgen ase hoile be so far there is no positive response
Madukon company khan to ahi gene ground work kuria dikhi pas na nai tai khan kiman diri hoise itu ground tai khan completion certificate pa do kiman diri hoise
completion certificate to issue kra to man through RTR prize anise hoile be kite issue kurse itu najine hoile be itu rasta to 2023 te complete hoise aru man huna to itu phase wise it sanction kore itu maintenance karne itu be dubar release kudise goise hoile be so far there is no progress in this stretch itu from Saraka to Zinaboto it falls under package 5 aru rasta to it does not meet the standard of 2 lane apni han bi dekhi paya je to itu pra man appeal korole mon to ane to complete this road as per the specification of the DPR and also since town stretch man congested hoise so we would like to appeal that if the 2 lane is not feasible within this stretch we would like to demand alternative road where the 2 lane is feasible so far I see no progress though the first duta to any it sanction kudise goise for maintenance yes
But still then nothing from their NHIDCL.
nothing from the NHIDC
acha apni sabi apni khan do who will you hold responsible Is it just the Madukon company or district administration can be sawo lagya laga kam do thik pra na kurigine thagya nishna lage? What do you think? Who do you think is to be blamed for? Just the company or even the administration who is supposed to be making sure that all of this is to be guidelines hisa prabhal ra kuriwo lagya laga na itu tahan kuma jaga de short hua nishna bapna azna nai.
Hoi itu man sob la responsible ase. Itu nimde civil societies pe appeal kurche. Hoi be I would blame the administration as well as the Madukon company for not being sincerely executing the works as per the specification of the DPR.
Acha, aro apnian itu labi kwaze certificate of completion. Itu do concerned department can be certificate of completion to digine ase. But then CSOs koi thagile the CSOs themselves are in Zinaboto. To tai khan do rasta complete hua laga Madukon kan tai khan la machineries kan uthai gene jala dikhya nai. Now what is the issue when after a year or more only apnian itu laga itia jani ase?
I'm repeating again and again that man civil societies bishi approach kurche and then itu completion certificate na de age de itu civil society aro administration boygena kota kurgena itu bishi de diwo hoilebi that was not in our knowledge and then the administration has already issued the completion certificate without the knowledge of the civil societies.
So basically apni khan na demand ekta hoile do completion certificate na dia gires apni khan laga CSOs kan mi janiwo lagya like that demand thagishe, but it was not told to the CSOs certificate completion hwala na aro administration bra hi di dishe
Right.
without the knowledge of the
Without the knowledge of the civil societies.
acha apni khan itu laga rasta do concern do janai dia nishna itu rasta do kiman districts ke connect kuri gina ase?
Itu last stretch to Mugusunde jai aro wakate be jawala parwa aro Eastern District pe jai ero Tengsang and several other districts.
Hornbill TV ite Old Town Zinabotore ahia nishna Sumi Youth Organization khanbra issues kuma highlight kuri gene ase Madukon company khanbra NHI DCL khan laga side pra itu project loi gene rasta bana laga yere khara kuri thaga nishna one of the key highlights hoile to tai khan laga incomplete retaining wall moi khan yere banai thaga bhaura dikhi pa je moila piche ra ita retaining wall banai thagya to ekdam incomplete hoi gene ase yere laga local khanbra especially itu gor retaining wall la thik upore ghor thakya laga malik khan pra janai dia hisab hole to jua sal Madukon company khan pra itu retaining wall do uthai dibo koi gene tai khan rasta bana laga purpose karne rasta do mati do girai dishe retaining wall uthabole laga promises digene tai khan jua sal January de itu retaining wall do half banai digene gayab hoise to itu inega hoi jado itia malik khan bra mati malik khan yere thakya han bra janai dia hisab hole do itia laga issue do ki ase gole pani giri ase pani itia bi khara kuria nishna pani giri thaga nishna mati do crack hoi jaje tai khan laga concern thakya garne itu mati do bishi diri noe mati itu tai khan baura retaining wall na halile do ghor do giri jawole laga bishi time na lagibo itu garne itia laga yere locals khan bra tai khan laga issue janai dia nishna Sumi Youth Organization khan bra bi itu highlight kuria laga moi khan itia huni pa ase moi khan retaining wall incomplete retaining wall laga issue janai dia homoi aru bi dusra ekta janai dibo itu tu ki ase koile do sinking road laga issue yere mati do sinking ase but hoy kuma jaga re do sinking do thagi jai especially hilly areas te hole do but yate Sumi Youth Organization khan laga issue do ki ase koile do manu ekjon project to take over kurishe koile do 5 sal do project to tai khan brahi rasta kundu banaishe itu laga renovation maintenance kan do utu particular company brahi sai to yere moi khan sai gene jaile do SYO khan laga issue hoile do tai khan do banai dia piche re itu rasta hoile do forsake kuri gene jai jala bi janai dia je moi khan ekbar piche re bi kotha kuribo hoile bi itu laga age yere thik side te khara kuri thaga homoi Mr President ge bi kotha kuri lowa acha president moi khan yere khara kuri thaga nishna ekbar apni ge ine sida sidi hudi diwo retaining wall bi mohan lode ase usorde ase sinking area bi mohan la usorde ase what would you like to say on this
To coin china ite moi sinking area la jaga de khara kurgena ase beshi bar itu civil societies khan pra administration lot be appeal kurse aro NHIDCL lot be appeal kurse holibi ite tak to positive response nai so far. अपनी खान और देखी पाए से ये तो ड्रेनेज ही नहीं अपनी खान सभी पानी सब रास्ते आएगी ना से और नेक्स्ट इतुला टर्निंग ते जैसे बोले ये तो क्रॉस ड्रेनेज एक ताजे पानी तो कितने वो प्रोटेक्ट फ्लो ना करे ताकि जमा करेगी ना पानी तो ड्रेनेज बटा होले और रास्ते आए इनका होले और रास्ता तो कितने भी लास्टिंग ना हो तो ये निम्ते महान बेसी बार और अपील करा से और इतने भी अपील करा से within one month itu ane banai dibi koi na appeal kori ase next course of action to man public interest litigation file kori ase
Hornbill TV tia yere arubi ekbar amputo colony Zunheboto de ahi gine ase tai khan laga underlining issues alag alag thaga nishna itu ekta ase drainage system moi khan itia sai gene jaile do moi laga piche de thaga drainage system bi bhal bra na banai gene tade upor pra pani ahia khan do rasta de pura giria laga bi dikhi pa ase future de long run de itu drainage balra system balra na bana karne bi rasta ekdam itu lasting na hoi ja laga bi thaki jai drainage system thik na hwa do to aji yare SYO khan pra kwaro tai khan itu drainage system khan public khan duk pa karne tai khan itu issues raise kra laga bi moi khan huni pa ase tai khan bra janai dia hisab hole to 1 month ultimatum diwo koi gene bi janai dia ase itia laga next moi khan apni an ki development ani wo thagya laga hole to itia concern NHIDCL khan hole bi ki laga step loi gene jawo in fact tai khan package khan bi face itu 1 2 khan bi ahi jaise kwaze in fact rasta to complete bi hoi gene maintenance laga package bi itia to ahia shuru hwa ase kwase to tai khan itu laga kiniga kam kuri gene jawo moi khan NHIDCL khan laga sai gene jaile to in some areas to rasta to bishi bhal banai gene ase however on the other hand in some areas hole to aru bi rasta to thik na banai gene manu khan tai khan laga itu dissatisfaction express kura laga just sometimes ago moi khan itu Chakesang khan laga side pra bi tai khan itu rasta NHIDCL khan bra bana laga khushi na pa laga janai dia nishna aji next moi khan SYO Sumi Youth Organization khan tai khan laga grievances bi janai dia ase moi khan etia ere sai gene jaile to SYO ekla no hoy but then CSOs khan ge bi tai khan laga grievances tai khan laga requirements khan bi janai dia do concern authority khan hoile bi concern company hoile bi tai khan laga hunia nai kwa ase moi khan aru bi ekbar apnian ke janai dibo itu area laga rasta la stretch 702A itia moi khan khara kura laga to kun bana ase NHIDCL khan bra kun ke itula project to digine ase kole to Madukon company private limited khan ge itu digine ase batai khan laga issue khan raise koi dia nishna itia Hornbill TV apni han ge ahia din ka de Madukon company khan hoile bi NHIDCL khan hoile bi ki la step loi gene jabo itu eklai noe but then district administration khan ge bi tai khan allegations digine ase saying that district administration khan bi negligent thakia karne bi itu Madukon company khan bi tai khan laga kam do thik na kuri gena jai ja laga bi tai khan dangor allegations kuma digene thakya do moi khan district administration la side pra bi ki kobo itu ahya din khan de apni han lore update anibo aru bi moi khan ekta janiwo lagya viewers khan janiwo lagya do 5 years period thage rasta banai dia piche de bi 5 years maintenance period to thage aru kundu company bra itu rasta banaishe tai khan bra hi 5 years laga itu maintenance renovation khan holi bi sob concern company bra hi sai holi bi tai khan itu itia na sai gine ase koi gine huni pa ase itia ahia din khan de update ani tayo reporter ke Christian ke huang camera person Joy Watch Hornbill TV Zunheboto